Home Minister Amit Shah is in Jharkhand and the Home Minister once again has reiterated the Bharatiya Janata Party's promise when it comes to the issue of infiltration. Amid the entire debate around and the controversy around Congress party saying that subsidy will be given even to infiltrators, Home Minister Amit Shah has said that the BJP will send back each and every infiltrator.
जो घुसपैठिए हमारी बोली आदिवासी बहनों की जमीन हड़प लिए है, मैं उनको भी कहना चाहता हूं, घुसपैठियों को भी कान खोलकर सुन लो। हेमंत सरकार का समय समाप्त हुआ, घुसपैठियों आपका भी समय समाप्त हुआ। एक एक को चुन चुनकर झारखंड से वापिस भेजने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी करेगी। हम एक ऐसा कानून लेकर आएंगे जो कानून भेद से आदिवासियों की जमीन हड़पे है, वो जमीन वापिस देनी पड़ेगी, वापिस देनी पड़ेगी।
Tejshri, the Home Minister once again has fired the chun chun ke warning when it comes to infiltrators, illegal infiltrators. And we've been seeing how the BJP has made this war cry against infiltrators the fulcrum of its campaign in Jharkhand. And now, do you also know how the Congress or the JMM or other alliance partners of the INDI bloc are reacting to what this senior Congress leader has said when it comes to giving subsidy even to infiltrators? That's what they say.
Well, you see, as far as the BJP is concerned, BJP has given a straight message to the infiltrators that they will pick and throw them out of this particular region. And number two, not only this, Amit Shah, the Home Minister in Jharkhand today, addressing a rally, has also in fact made it clear that they will also introduce a law against the infiltrators. Number two. Number three, if you talk about what the Congress and JMM has to say, they are asking the questions to the BJP that how they define infiltrators, and then the leaders also say that they do not discriminate between Hindu, Muslim or the infiltrators, all are equal for them. And in that context, Ghulam Ahmad Mir gave that kind of statement. Now, yes, we'll have to see what actually JMM has to say on this. Do they also, in fact, agree to what the Congress leader has said? Because as of now, they have not come forward,
Right.
and in fact have spoken
Do
against.
stay with us, Tejshri, because